Here's how we're currently hiring in the Philippines. We hire from one main website, which is called onlinejobs.ph. We've been using that for about a decade now. To be honest, it's still the best source we have for hiring skilled workforce from the Philippines, obviously, who are looking for professional jobs and looking for online work. There are other options, like you've got your freelancing sites like Upwork and freelancer.com, and you tend to find contractors there or professional VAs. And I call them professional VAs because they're people who will jump from job to job and client to client. And you don't really want that person if you're looking for skilled employees who want to have a career with you over a long period of time. And there are other job websites, but we haven't had much luck using any of the others. I think Indeed is one of them. Job Street is another one, I think, in the Philippines, but we've not had any significant luck with any others. We have used LinkedIn from time to time. Again, not much significant luck. Now, how do we incentivize hiring great talent? That's a great question. We actually have a number of incentives with our team, and one of those is basically asking for team referrals and asking for team to refer friends in to apply to work for us. From time to time, we will work with recruiters, but private recruitment isn't really much of a profession in the Philippines. Typically, recruiters are going to be recruiting people into a BPO or basically a call center or virtual assistant type labor contracting service. So you don't really get the advantage of a more Western recruiter who would be doing individual talent sourcing. But if you're a recruiter watching this video, reach out. We'd love to get some help from you. But what we do to incentivize our team to refer people into the business is we actually give a bonus. So if someone joins the business referred by someone else, and they are actually stick around for 3 months basically, and they meet their tenure, then the person who referred them in gets a bonus. And I think it's like a couple $100, something like that. Not an amazing amount, but enough to be meaningful to say thank you to someone. They have to obviously be a successful part of our company, so they're not going to refer anyone who's a dickhead. And then secondly, we want to make sure that this person is a good fit for the team, and it's called regularization. But effectively our probation period extends for about 6 months in total. If they're not a good fit, we always have the option to move that person on. So that's how we incentivize people to come into the business. That's how we built our team in the Philippines. It's a very, very good sign if your staff are willing to invite friends into the business. Because if they're willing to invite friends in, it means that they like the culture that you have built inside the business. And so that's always a good sign. There is a caveat though. We choose to never hire couples or partners, because there's no real issue with two people working together in your company, being in a relationship with each other or being in a partnership with each other. You can put them in different departments and everything is usually pretty dandy. However, when they quit, they always quit at the same time. Every single time we've hired someone, they've quit at the same time when they've been in a partnership. So we avoid those, full stop, blanket rule. We do not do it. We haven't had anyone turn into a relationship inside our company, and we're big enough that it may be happening behind the scenes. So I'll keep you updated if that one ever changes. Anyway, I hope that was helpful.